Hmm. Hey. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Let me tell you a story about my life. After COVID, everything fell apart, and I was living in great strife. But I don't want to talk about that. I want to tell you what I did to get me back. I ain't got the time to sugarcoat it, 'cause some lovely souls are ready to quit. I'm on a mission, love is the key. Let me be your mirror, humble and free. This is your wake-up call. If you want a better life, then listen to it all. Oh, happiness, good health, wealth and comfort, as far as the eye can see. I'm so abundant, there is love all around me. My family are the best in the world. They love me unconditionally, like a baby girl. And to me, they are the pearls. I ain't got the time to sugarcoat it, 'cause some lovely souls are ready to quit. I'm on a mission, love is the key. Let me be your mirror, humble and free. Oh, this is your wake-up call. If you want a better life, then listen to it all. Don't take your life for granted. Look up to the sky and remember you could be taken in the blink of an eye. Don't let the reality you see be your guide. Put aside your pride and go within, 'cause that's where love abides. I know we got social media to keep us company, but can't you see love is the key? But recently I had an epiphany. Time to sugarcoat it, 'cause some lovely souls are ready to quit. I'm on a mission, love is the key. Let me be your mirror, humble and free. Yeah, this is your wake-up call. If you want a better life, then listen to it all. I'm not this meat suit that I wear. I'm not the avatar named at birth. I swear I am the I am. Divine consciousness dwells within. I'm so much more, and so are you, my friend. Stop letting others control your destiny. You came here for a reason, and it was not to be someone else's slave, someone else's punching bag, abused by sociality, beat down inside. No, I ain't got the time to sugarcoat, 'cause some lovely souls are ready to quit. I'm on a mission, love is the key. Yeah, let me be your mirror, humble and free. Hey, this is your wake-up call. If you want a better life, then listen to it all. So ignore your reality as it is today. You are the projector that creates the way. No more negative thinking, no more negative talk. Change the way you look at things, change the way you walk. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. You won't care what people think when you have nothing left. If you don't take control of your life, someone else will rule you and keep your mind in strife. But that's your own fault, 'cause people treat you how they are taught. they do. It's true, no, I ain't got the time to sugarcoat it, 'cause some lovely souls are ready to quit. I'm on a mission, love is the key. Let me be your mirror, humble and free. Babe, this is your wake-up call. If you want a better life, then listen to it all. Now I know this is a hard truth, but baby, can't you see? I came with proof. Just look at my life. I went from rags to riches and no strife. It took a matter of time, but it only happened when I took control of my